Maytal Tab here with Livell Real Estate, and welcome to your dream home here in Laguna Beach. A 180 degrees from every bedroom makes this home and every day a true experience. Blue water, white water views, incredible city lights along the coastal of Southern California. These are the finest coastal ocean views I've ever seen. Truly unimaginable. Linear fireplace with incredible quartzite commands the room, where the living spaces and the dining area connect in an open space and creates amazing harmony, which is perfect for entertaining. Your culinary dreams will come true in this kitchen. With oversized island and waterfall edges, top-of-the-line appliances, cooking and entertaining have never been so effortless and elegant. And of course, not to forget the incredible ocean views from every corner. In the primary suite, every detail is designed for comfort and luxury. With incredible deck that extends towards the ocean view, every day will feel like you're on vacation. Unwind in the sitting area near the fireplace, or relax in the open bathroom in a freestanding tub. Every bedroom has ensuite bathroom, additional bonus room, and an elevator are some of the features that this house has to offer. Located just above the Montage Resort with close proximity to great restaurants, the beach, and the amazing lifestyle that Laguna Beach has to offer. Maytal Tab here with Livell Real Estate. Connect with us for more information.